So today I will tell you that whether this Pulmorex syrup can be used by pregnant woman and breastfeeding mother or not. Can Pulmorex syrup can be used in pregnancy and during breastfeeding or not? So today I will discuss it. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdur Rafy. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert, and you're watching Rafy Healthcare channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Pulmorex Cough Syrup, and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredients are licorice powder extract, zingiber officinal powder extract, pepper nigrum powder extract, and eucalyptus globulus oil. These four are the active pharmaceutical ingredient here. Basically, these are herbs which are used as a powder and extract and also in oil form used in this Pulmorex cough syrup. It name obviously indicates that it's a cough syrup and is used to treat cough. Okay, it is also used to treat allergic coughs and also nasal congestion, and also it has capability to for the excretion of phalgam as it makes it thin. It also eliminates throat irritation. It has bronchodilatory, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral effects. It also has decongestant, soothing, and demulcent properties. So it's a very good and effective cough syrup. Now let's discuss that whether this Pulmorex cough syrup can be used in pregnancy. Is it safe for the pregnant and breastfeeding mother or not? Can they use it or not? So let's discuss it. Pulmorex cough syrup can be used in pregnancy and also by breastfeeding mother. It's safe for the pregnancy and for the breastfeeding mothers. Pregnant women can use it. Okay, so it's safe. But I would recommend you that always consult your physician and pharmacist before using these kind of medicines. Especially in pregnancy, there are a separate list of medicines. There are limited medicines which can be used in pregnancy. Okay, so always consult your physician and pharmacist before using these medicines. Okay, so that's for today. So I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like and share my video too. If you have any question regarding this medicine or any kind of medicine, you can write in the comment section. I will reply you. And if you have any suggestion for me, you are more than welcome. Drop it in the comment section. I will review it. And now take care of yourself and always remember your pharmacist, Dr. Abdur Rafy, in your prayers. Allah Hafiz and take care.